in the description below. Number 2 is the official FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer. When it comes to turning your detailed character dreams into tangible reality, the official FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer emerges as a powerful contender. Brace yourself for a 3D printing experience that's nothing short of extraordinary, taking your creations to heights you've only imagined. Speed becomes your ally with moving speeds of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 25,000 plus mm/s superscript 2, powered by an ultralight short-range extruder design and a double-drive wire feeding structure. The extrusion force reaches an impressive 70 N, ensuring your prints match the speed with precision. Meet your new partner in creative crime, the FLSUN Speeder Pad, boasting a 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen ready to impress without additional configurations. The unique robotic arm design is a masterstroke, blending 3K grade material, high-strength carbon fiber rods, aerospace aluminum housing, and POM bearing wear resistance. The bimetal 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle is your ticket to a world of filament variety, from PLA to TPU, ABS to PETG, and even nylon, with drying. Get the official FLSUN V400 Delta 3D printer today by clicking on the link provided in the description box and enjoy hassle-free printing for years to come.